All right, now in this video, we're going to talk about our short project that we have here and just thinking about the chemistry that we see in our lives every day. All right, so we know that chemistry is the study of matter. We've said this a few times already, so I hope that you remember it. But chemistry is the study of matter. Now, we know that everything around us that is physical is made of matter. So in a way, you can say that everything around us is chemistry, or that it can be connected to chemistry. So even if we just take a simple action like swimming, right? So we can focus on the swimmer, and there's actually a lot of chemistry going on in this picture. You might notice that the swimmer is swimming in water. Well, what is it about water that makes it a good thing to swim in, and not say honey or motor oil? What's the difference between all of those, and can that be explained by chemistry? We can also think about the biology of the swimmer. He probably had lunch or breakfast a couple hours earlier, so he's probably digesting all of that food. So what are the molecules that are being broken down in his digestive system? We can also focus on the lane separators on there. We see that they're made of plastic, and they're floating on the surface. So now, why is it that plastic gets to float on the surface, but something like iron, a metal, would sink to the bottom? What's the so different about these materials? All right, so those are things that you can relate back to chemistry, just what things are made of and how they might be different from other things. All right, so for that, we'll just be doing a short project where we just think about the chemistry and the different types of matter that are all around us. All right, so you will just make a short PowerPoint. It doesn't have to be a fancy one. Doesn't have to be very long. It can just be about 5 slides on this. And so I just need you to come up with 5 examples of matter that you see around you. Um, Now, think how you can connect all of those examples to chemistry. Think how the examples are connected to chemistry. All right, and so see if you can classify all of that chemistry into a more specific branch than just chemistry. If it's about plastics, we know they're usually made of organic compounds, so maybe you could classify plastic as an organic chemistry. Just make sure that you give a reason why you think it would be in that type of chemistry. And just give a visual example of each type of matter that you're looking at, just so that we know what we're looking at and we can get in our heads what it is made of too. For this project, please don't worry too much about being 100% correct. This project is really more about to get you thinking about chemistry, what happens on in the world around us, what everything is made of, and again, it's just a way to get you thinking and for me to see what you're thinking. And so it's my hope that if we were to do this project again at the end of the year, that you would have different answers, you have different explanations, because you would understand a lot more about chemistry. Okay. So just one more time, is that don't worry about being completely correct in this project. I just want to see what you're thinking right now, and it's something to get us started on talking all about these different types of matter.